After you sign the agreement, we make arrangements to visit the property as soon as possible, and we do what's called a rent-ready inspection. One of our field specialists goes to the property, we take our very detailed checklist to make sure it meets Mark Brower Properties minimum standards, and we're also looking for little upgrades or little things that you might want to make. And we're going to send you a report within 1 to 2 business days after visiting the home. There's going to be a link to a video that we shoot at the property. There's also going to be a very detailed report showing you the required items to meet our minimum standard, also any recommendations about little small upgrades to make. In that report, we're also doing our best to estimate the cost of those items. So should you want us to help coordinate getting the property rent ready, we can do that for you. We do add a 10% maintenance oversight fee for projects over $1,000. But again, we don't mark up maintenance 30 to 50%, which is industry standard that other management companies do. So we're just trying to recoup our time in managing that project for you. Our field specialists will also take a marketing camera with them at that initial visit so that if the property is ready for marketing photos, they'll be able to take those and we won't lose any time there.